In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade a Wix website. If you're ready to take your Wix site to the next level, you've come to the right place. Upgrading your Wix site not only enhances its capabilities, but also opens up a plethora of additional features. So let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Wix homepage. You can do this by typing wix.com into your browser and logging into your account. Once you're all logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your Wix account dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all your site settings and features. Now that you're on the dashboard, the next step is to look for the Upgrade option. This is usually prominently displayed as upgrading is such a vital part of enhancing your site's functionality. Click on Upgrade and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose a premium plan. Choosing the right premium plan for your site doesn't have to be overwhelming. Wix offers various plans, each tailored to different needs, whether it's a personal blog or an online store. Spend a moment here to thoroughly consider what plan best matches the goals you have for your website. As you make this decision, pay attention to what's included in each plan, like increased storage, professional design options, or advanced marketing tools. Once you've made your choice, click Select on the plan that fits your needs best. Following this, you're going to choose a billing cycle. Wix provides the option to pay monthly, yearly, or even biannually. If you're planning to have your website up and running for a long time, it might be more cost-effective to opt for a longer billing cycle. However, if you're still testing the waters, a shorter cycle might be wise. Make your selection accordingly. Once you have selected your billing cycle, click Continue to Checkout to move forward to the payment section. Here, you'll need to fill out your payment details. Make sure to enter all your information accurately to avoid any processing hitches before you proceed to make your payment. Do not forget to check the box agreeing to the terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to briefly review these terms so you're aware of what you're committing to as you upgrade. If everything looks good and you're ready to finalize your purchase, click Continue to PayPal. From here, you can complete your payment process securely. And that's it. Once your payment is processed, your Wix website will be upgraded, giving you access to all the benefits of the premium plan you selected. Happy website building!